10, exercise number 6.3, question number 3. From the top of the tower 60 meter high, from the top of the tower height is 60 meter, the angle of depression of the top and bottom of the vertical lamp post are observed to be 38 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the lamp post. So here we have the lamp post. The tower is the tallest one because the angle of depression from the tower. So the tower is the tallest one. So let me take it as A, B and then C, D. The angle of depression means the horizontal lines below is the angle of depression. So from the tower, the height of the tower is 60 meter. The total height of the tower is 60 meter. From the position of the top of the tower, the angle of depression of the top of the lamp post and then bottom of the lamp post. See, vertical lamp post are observed to be 38 degree. The top is 38. This is 38 degree, and then this angle is 60 degree. First one is the 38 degree, the top, and bottom angle is 60 degree. Now we draw a parallel line of BD. Let me take it as this is E. See, by the transversal condition, this angle is 38 means then this also 38. This angle is 60 means then this angle is also 60 by the transversal condition. Now we want to find out the height of the lamp post. So let me take it as AB has H. AB is equal to H means then ED is also H. First we explain what is that, right? Let AB and CD be the height of lamp post and tower respectively, right? Then that AB is equal to H, AB is equal to ED is equal to total, the two distances are equal, that is H, and then BD is equal to AE is equal to X. Let me take it as this distance is X, right? Now we want to find out the height of this lamp post. Then the angles are given, that angle of CAE is equal to 38 degree and the angle of CBD is equal to 60 degree. Now here we want to find out CE means the total distance CD minus ED. Total distance CD is equal to 60 minus H, right? In triangle, let me check the triangle as two triangle. See, one of the triangle is 38 degree, another triangle is 60 degree. So first I take this triangle CBD. See, this is the triangle of CBD. This is right angle triangle CBD. This is 60 degree. The total distance of CD is given as 60 meter and then BD is equal to X. In triangle, here it is a right angle triangle CBD. See, the angles opposite side and the adjacent side ratios, right? The ratio of opposite and the adjacent is nothing but tan theta. Now theta is given as tan 60 degree is equal to the opposite side is 60 divided by the adjacent side is X. We know the value of tan 60. Tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So root 3 is equal to 60 divided by X. I take this X to this side and root 3 to another side, we get divided by root 3. So in denominator we have root 3, so I use the term multiple and divide by the same denominator, that is root 3 divided by root 3. If you multiple and divide by the same number, we know that there is nothing change in the terms, right? That is the condition. So 60 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 is 3. If you divide this, we get X is equal to 20 root 3. Let me take it as equation number 1. Next we take the triangle. In triangle, another triangle is ACE. See the triangle here. Now we are going to take the triangle, this triangle, the smaller one, right? this triangle ACE. I draw here separately the triangle of ACE. This angle is 38 degree, and CE distance we have find out, that is 60 minus x. This is x. Opposite divided by adjacent. So tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. We have the tan 38 degree is equal to opposite side is 60 minus h divided by x. And then the tan 38 degree is given as the value 0.7813 is equal to 60 minus h divided by x. X value just now we have found out, that is 20 root 3, right? I take this 20 root 3 to this side because we want to find the height of the lamp post only. I take this 20 root 3 to this side, 0.7813 into 20 root 3 is equal to 60 minus h. Now we know the value root 3, 0.7813 into 20 into root 3 value is 1.732 into 60 minus h. Now multiple this term 0.7813. If you multiple 20 into 1.732, we get the value as 34.640 something is equal to 60 minus h. Now multiple this two term. If you multiple this two term, we get the value as 27.07 is equal to 60 minus h. Then I take this h to this side, we get positive value. Here we have 60. I take this 27 to that side, means we get negative value, minus of 27.07. When you subtract this 60.00 minus 27.07, borrow here 9, 9, 10, right? 10 minus 7 is 3. Here we have 9, and then 9 minus 7 is 2, and then here we have 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. So the distance, the height of the lamp post is 32.93 meter or 33 approximately it is. So the height of the lamp post is 32.93 meter is the answer. Thank you, students.